second, I'm looking through my sneeze guard shield. The panels are all scratched up, there's reflection from the outside field. My eyes are tired and crusty, 'cause it's 8:05 a.m. And I'm balancing my Chromebook, notebook, textbook, and a pen. And I know they gave them to us months ago, but man, the side seams are all shut. And from hallway swings and clippy things, the edges can cut anything. And I'm trying hard just not to crack. So if by the time the bell buzzes and I couldn't do my work, I'll finish it all tonight.